Hey guys, it's been a while. I'm in Hawaii and it's a clinic day. It's my chance to give back to a community that doesn't, I guess, see professional bowlers very often, so should be a pretty busy day. We're in paradise. Let's go. All right, we're here at Leeward Bowl for this 3-hour clinic. Kids waiting outside the bowling center. No clue if they're waiting for me, but I guess we'll find out real quick. But we're gonna help educate some people here in Hawaii. Getting started here at the clinic. As expected, none of the kids asked any questions. I'm sure once they start bowling and getting warmed up and stuff, it'll be better. I'm just gonna roam around and give some tips and hang out, crack a lot of funny dad jokes that probably won't be very funny. Have a good time. We got some very talented kids out here. You vlog viewers, if you guys recognize any of the bowlers, let me know in the comments. Some kids that can go far. Our man over here wants to bowl on the tour. I think that's awesome. But yeah, we're having a good time. I'm already 2 pairs in. There's five pairs total. I think there's 20 people bowling. Maybe 21. I'm asking everyone who their favorite bowler is, and I'm trying to see if the consensus is not Belmo. And so far, I'm winning. I think I have 3. To Belmo's 2. So, we're going to pair number 3. Who is your favorite bowler?
I'm only watching you. The second person is Lewis something.
I'm taking that as a me. So that's 4. You don't have to say me. I legitimately want to know who your favorite bowler is. Okay, that's this 3 for Belmo. Hey, that's 5. Hey, Belmo, I'm big in Hawaii. I'm big time here. Who's your favorite bowler? Oh. You had to pick one. You don't have to say me, just because I'm here.
You should say him.
So what is that, 6 to 3?
I'm just trying to get some strikes.
You gonna throw one for the vlog?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
I'm just trying to use some more views, you know? You gotta get some more views.
Alright, subscribe. If he strikes, subscribe. If he doesn't strike, subscribe anyway. Subscribe! He wasn't wrong. Who's your favorite bowler?
You're one of them, guaranteed.
Well, we need to know your number 1.
Probably Belmo.
What is that? Is that 4? Is that 5?
I don't know.
I think I have a pretty commanding lead though here.
Who's your favorite bowler?
I gotta say, Chris Prather or Andrew Anderson.
But who's number 1?
Chris Prather.
Prather? Okay, Prather's only got 1 in Hawaii. Don't come out here.
Nice shirt.
Who's your favorite bowler?
I don't know. Maybe it might be Darren. Twitch.tv/vitamin-D-Tang.
I don't even have to plug my own stuff here. I love it. Was that 8? I got 8.
I think so.
That's almost half. I only need 3 more and I win. Who's your favorite bowler? EJ. You're EJ's only fan. Number 1. 2?
What?
Okay, oh, he's got 2.
Sammy, what about
Alright.
you? Wait.
Favorite bowler.
Girl or boy?
Doesn't matter. The number 1. Daria? Okay, 1 for Daria. We got some love for Daria here in Hawaii. Who's your favorite bowler? Wesley Lowe. He's bowling this one. Who's your favorite bowler?
Tommy
Jones? I like that one. That's a good one. I have no idea if they said me just because I'm here, but I'm gonna roll with it. Alright, we just wrapped up the clinic. A lot of fun, a lot of talented kids. Yeah, it's great to see them appreciating this as much as I appreciate coming out here and being able to do this. I love giving back because this game's given me a lot. So we got a little special event tonight. I hope you guys enjoy. You guys all remember Peyton, right? One of our roommates on the regional tour.
We're here. We made it.
Now we're here.
Got a week.
The whole
couple
game.
days to relax. Aloha, everybody. Can you hear me now? Yeah. All right. My name's Peyton Stumpf. We're in town from Tacoma, Washington, where it was currently snowing this week, so it's much appreciated and light. I love being here right now. There's a really special person that has allowed me to chase this dream. I like to call Chloe up to the stage real quick. So, but I think 10 years, 4 months, and 2 weeks is long enough. So, Chloe, anyway, Bartlett, will you marry me? I think she said yes. Thank you guys for letting us take this brief intermission. And thank you guys for your help.
Can we get another round of applause?
Well, happy day. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you for inviting us for the special occasion. Appreciate it.
First day in Hawaii down.
Wow. How are you gonna top it?
Win a regional or two.
Alright.
That's why I guess that's why we're here.
I'll let you win if we bowl against each other so we can just
Aye. I appreciate that.
Thanks for watching, guys. Can we get some congratulations in the comments below? Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm about to go pay $40 for parking, but you know, it is what it is. It's only money. Good night. See you tomorrow. Wait. See you for day 1. 2. See you at the regional.